In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a Ryanair promo code. If you want to save money on your booking, using a valid promo code is one of the easiest things to check before you complete your trip details. The process is quick, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the promo code option and how to enter it correctly on the Ryanair website. To begin, head to the official Ryanair website. It's always best to use the official site when applying discounts, so you can make sure the code is being entered in the right place and applied directly to your booking. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to look over the booking area on the page. This is where Ryanair lets you start searching for flights and manage booking options. Next, look for the option that says Apply Promo Code and click on it. This is the section you'll need before entering your discount. Depending on the page layout or device you're using, this option may appear near the flight search area, so just scan the booking section carefully if you don't see it right away. On some screens, it may be shown as a small link or expandable field rather than a large button. After you click Apply Promo Code, a field will open where you can type in your code. Enter your promo code carefully, making sure there are no typing mistakes, extra spaces, or missing characters. Promo codes are often time sensitive and may only work if entered exactly as provided, so accuracy matters here. If your code uses a mix of letters and numbers, double check everything before moving on. Once the code is entered, the discount should be associated with your booking search, allowing you to continue with your flight selection using the promotional offer if it is valid. If the code doesn't seem to work, the most common reasons are spelling errors, expiration dates, or offer conditions that don't match your trip. In that case, simply review the code and try entering it again carefully. That's all it takes to apply a Ryanair promo code. Start on the official Ryanair website, click Apply Promo Code, and enter your code correctly. It's a simple step, but it can make a real difference when you're booking travel. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you apply your promo code quickly and confidently.